When disaster strikes, every second matters. But what if you're trapped inside a high-rise building? To tackle the same, China's Hebei Guangshunhe Fire Engineering Company Limited has come up with a unique device, a window-installed elevator that can save countless lives. This elevator can be installed on any window, offering you a safe escape route when all else fails. This patented device ensures that residents of tall buildings can evacuate quickly and safely, bypassing congested stairwells and inaccessible elevators. And the best part, it can be fitted to virtually any window, offering a versatile solution for emergencies. Made of strong steel, the mechanism works swiftly without needing extra tools or handles. It comes in various models, including options for more capacity, seating, and even wheelchair accessibility. With its compact design and powerful support, it provides an easy and reliable escape method. Apart from the rescue needs, it can also prove to be a great convenience for people with disabilities or old age. As high-rise living becomes more common, the need for dependable evacuation methods are becoming necessary, and this window-mounted elevator might just be the life-saving invention we've all been waiting for. However, some also use it as a swing for fun. Would you want to have this installed in your building?